Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file and app. Open Abbyy FineReader, then import or scan the document immediately. Do not delay. Make sure the OCR language matches the document to improve accuracy, and choose whether you want searchable PDF, editable Word, or Excel output. Once done, check image quality and DPI. Adjust scanner settings to 300 DPI for text. Finally, set recognition zones to automatic so the program can detect text blocks before you proceed. Now configure recognition and let the software work. Use the text and table selection tools to correct any misdetected areas. This reduces manual fixes later. Change recognition parameters if you need exact layout retention or smaller file size, and choose whether to embed fonts. After configuring, run OCR on the current page or the entire document, then use the built-in preview to compare recognized text against the image. Make sure to correct obvious errors in the editor before exporting. Exporting is the final step, but don't stop there. Choose the format you picked earlier and save a version with a clear file name and backup copy. Once exported, proofread key pages directly in FineReader's editor to catch character substitutions or mislines and apply corrections. If you encounter poor recognition, try rescanning at higher DPI, switch the OCR language, or manually edit problematic zones. This troubleshooting step resolves most errors and ensures your final document is accurate and usable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.